Welcome to the learning graveyard, where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn. Today's lesson is all about chickens. We will be learning some fun facts and history.
Yay!
So buckle up into your electric chair and let's begin. Chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs. Chickens have better color vision than humans. Chickens can dream. Wow, wasn't that interesting? Well, that is all the time for today. Till then, you have a haunted day. Bye-bye.
Jack-O-Learn.